Hey guys, I'm going to do two really quick problems that'll help you for your mastery check tomorrow. So please just relax and watch this. If you want to write it down, that's fine. That way it may be easier to remember tomorrow. But the first one is with algebra tiles, finding the area as a product and as a sum. Okay, product and as a sum. And there's going to be one question like this. So I already have the length and the width of this rectangle. So I can just write it as a product, right? Because I just need to put the length in one set of parentheses and the width in another set of parentheses. Okay, so let's look at the longer side. The longer side, I have an x plus a y plus 3 ones. So that's just going to be x plus y plus 3. Then the width is just going to be x plus 2. X plus 2. So that is how we write the area of this rectangle as a product, which means we're multiplying the length and the width. The sum's going to be a little bit harder because I have to find the area of all of the pieces on the inside, but you may just be able to remember what they were from working with the algebra tiles. So in the bottom left-hand corner, this square where both sides are x, I know that's an x squared. And that means these have the same side length, so they're just x's. This one's a little bit weirder. The bottom side is y, and the vertical side is x, so that's just going to be an xy, which means that these longer rectangles are just y's. Here we have just x's, and I can tell because if there's an x on the left-hand side, since it's a rectangle, I know this is x here. And then these ones are just little ones. So we're just going to add them all up. I'm going to start with the two rectangles. I only have one of them, so I have one of the x squareds plus, here's where my sum comes from, I have one of the xy's. Okay. Now I have how many of the x tiles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 of the x's. I have 2 of the y's. And I have 6 of the ones. So that is how you write the area as a sum. Okay. Then there's going to be a problem like this, which we did today. You did really good on. Multiplying the sides and getting the middle, also writing it as a product and as a sum. But then there's going to be one like this, which is an area model, but it gives us all of the insides and we have to find the outside. So you can totally just guess and check. There is a special way. I usually just always start in one spot and I look at the numbers here and here. I look at the two numbers in a row and I ask myself, what is the biggest number that can go into both of those numbers, right? Well, I know that 4 can go into 4, and I also know that 4 can go into 12. So I'm going to take that number and put it on the outside, okay? You can always just guess and check, but this will always give you the right answer. So then, but not only does 4 go into both of those, they also both have an x. So I'm going to put that on the outside also. And then once I have one of the sides, it makes it a lot easier to find the other sides. Now it's just a puzzle. Now I'm looking at, okay, if the area of this box is 4x squared, and I already have the 4x out here on the outside, then I know that the top must be x, because that's the only way to get 2 of those x's there. Okay. Now let's take a look. Let me erase some of this so we have a better idea of what's happening. This is a 4. Okay. Now that I know I have x up here, I know that it's the same down here. And I can ask myself, if the inside of this box is negative 2x, and I know this side is x, this side must be negative 2. Because that's the only thing that's going to give me negative 2x inside the box. So then let's take a look at the box with the negative 6 in it. Okay, let's take a look at the box with the negative 6. I know that this side's negative 2 because the other side's negative 2. So the question I'm asking myself is, what number times negative 2, pardon me, you guys, is going to give me negative 6? So the negative's already there. I don't need another negative. I just need a positive 3. You can check yourself. Negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6. Okay? And I have everything I need. So I already know that this is 4x, and I already know that this is 3 because the tops and the bottoms are the same and the side to sides are the same. So I actually have more than I need. I only need 2 of the sides. I know to write this as a product. I just need to take the sides and multiply them together. So I'm going to have one of the sides is 4x minus 2, and the other side is x plus 3, okay, is equal to the sum of the insides, which is 4x squared. I'm just going to add them all up, and 12x, all 4 squares or boxes, minus 2x minus 6, just put them all in a row. You can leave it like that, that's 100% correct, or you can combine these two because they are like terms. So you can say 4x squared, positive 12 minus 2x is plus 10x minus 6. Okay. All right, get some good sleep tonight. Mastery check tomorrow. I will talk to you soon.